So I've got a 3D printer and it has one of those LED power supply units on it, which doesn't have a switch and tends to be wired in directly rather than using a connector. So some time ago I 3D printed a small enclosure which slots on the base of the power supply with some little lugs to hold it there, and allows me to connect up the switch and the IEC cable, and there you go, that's quite nice and functional, but I wasn't particularly happy with it, so I've just printed another one, and you can see the bed adhesion on that first print was absolutely terrible. Now the first print was PLA, and I'm not sure if you can see, but it was done on masking tape, and clearly the corners started to peel up and it's all curved on the bottom. The top's quite nice and flat though. So today, because I wanted to change the orientation of these connectors, I printed a new one. Exactly the same model, just with the apertures changing position. And you can see if I put them together how much flatter this is. Now the material's different. This is PETG rather than PLA, and the printed bed surface is much smoother. It's Kapton tape with PrittStick on it. Now I have to say, I thought the PrittStick wouldn't do anything for me, but when you turn the heated bed on, it sort of bakes the PrittStick on and leaves a scummy, slightly rough, hazy surface, and I think it's that the filament adheres to rather than actually being an adhesive as such. It comes off fairly easily as well when it's cool, and it takes off the brutally high shine you get from printing on glass, and but still leaves quite a nice smooth surface, which has adhered very well and is very flat. So that's an upgrade that I'm quite pleased with.